Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Evo with 3 O's, and I'm just here to make the intro because I forgot to make it yesterday for my install for this week right here. You see it? Sneak peek. I gave you a sneak peek, but still watch the process because she is she took some work. It was work. It was maintenance. Okay? So, just get into the video. Okay, guys, so right here, as you can see, I'm plugging the lace. Plugging that lace, and pluckity plug. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I did not want to do this voiceover. I was trying to put the music over here. Don't get me wrong, I'm probably gonna put music over some parts, but it's just acting up. So I'm just gonna talk over most of it because I'm trying to hurry up and upload so I can record the next video, period. And the next video is gonna be a Target haul. I just went to Target, you know, I wasn't feeling too good, so I went to Target, bought some stuff for myself, went out to eat. You know, I had me some fun, I really did. And I'm really happy that I did that. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm still plucking the lace. And y'all, I'm going to be plucking the lace for a long time. So, yeah. I'm going to see if I can put music over this. But if I can't, then I'm just going to be talking. So, basically, we're back. But don't get me wrong, y'all. I had 2 videos of me plucking. And I deleted it because, no, I'm not. So, right here, I'm about to put it on the cap so I can lay that wig down. Y'all, I'm going to tell y'all early on, this process was pretty much almost basically, excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you. I know you blessed me. But this process was pointless, by the way. It was pointless. It was. Very much so. But I ain't gonna lie. It was fun. It's fun making YouTube videos, y'all. So it's fun doing the whole process. Right now, I'm waiting for the next wigs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The next wigs. And I'm going to be slaying and slaying. Slaying and laying. Never, ever playing. And that's on who? Super Saiyan. But yeah, y'all, I'm putting that. Gots to be freeze spray. Don't say you supposed to do it this way, that way. I do whatever way I want to do it. To me, I feel like it really does not matter how you put the glue on or the freeze spray. It's going to lay regardless. It just depends on how much you put on, how much you need. That's, to me personally, that's all you need. As you can see, yeah. That's a lot of lace for a closure. Yeah, didn't think about that. You know, just was having fun, really, just because I don't do hair like that, so I'm just getting into it. So it's like, I just had so much fun getting into it because I'm learning new stuff. I'm getting into practice. And it's just great.
inside out, make my heart speed. Ain't no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything but you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Tonight, I'll show you that you need. I'm begging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Your love is one. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good
Till my cups overflowing.
So anxious just to feel of silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time will make it more time. I told you I wasn't really waking up. Now you feel so like you touch. I need you, I need you. Need to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, I want you. I want you. Can I tell you something? Why is right? We've had it, that's alright. Take you, take you. Show you something you want to watch. We've had it, that's alright. Take you, take you.